मतलब कितना खर्चा आ जाता है लाइक इफ यू आर परस्यूइंग मास्टर्स?
एंड फिर 2 साल का इंटरेस्ट जोड़ दो जो लोन लिया है उसका, सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी न्यू ग्रेड का जॉब मार्केट इज ट्रूली मेस्ड अप राइट नाउ।
मतलब वहाँ पे जाके अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो फिर वापस आना पड़ेगा एंड देन लोन का लोन तो है ही
या
ऊपर से। मतलब जस्ट टू गिव एन आइडिया टू पीपल कि मतलब कितना खर्चा आ जाता है लाइक इफ यू आर परस्यूइंग मास्टर्स और
या
हाउ बिग ऑफ ए रिस्क इज इट?
Yeah, it depends. Again, depends on what college you're going to. If you're going to any one of the Ivy Leagues or top. So I went for computer science and related subjects उसमें data
राइट।
science, आपका security ये सब आ जाता है. But if you're going for computer science, you have to also look at the job market if that's what you plan to do.
हम्म।
तो कंप्यूटर साइंस का जॉब मार्केट एटलीस्ट 1 डेढ़ साल पहले तक तो अच्छा ही था यूएस में. अभी इट हैज़
हम्म।
गॉन टू बिकॉज ऑफ एआई एंड हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट्स एंड सो ऑन. बट yeah, look at the job market. I'm not sure about like if you plan to do civic, mechanical, something like that, how the job market looks. But in tech, the salaries have always been good. So
हम्म।
you go to like a top school. I think it is worth taking out a loan for a top school because you will make the same amount. You can pay off that loan in 2 years. So I was also able to pay off my loan in about 1.5 to 2 years. Uh,
राइट।
and US specifically, I'm not sure about other countries, but US specifically has some category of schools. So you have like state schools, which are
हम्म।
government schools, you can say government
हम्म।
universities. Then you have private universities, which are for profit, and then you have
हम्म।
private non-profit universities.
हम्म।
So private का आपका fees बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. So for me specifically, it was, I would say, if I remember correctly, without any lodging or living expenses, it was like $45,000 a year. So for masters, it comes out to be $90,000 a year, जो आज के rate में I would say is about how much? कितना चल रहा है
80
अभी?
lakhs, around
Yeah,
80 lakhs, like
yeah.
including living expenses.
No, 45 is per year, just the tuition fee.
And the rest 45 is lodging and living, khana pina.
नहीं. So 90,000 is just what you pay to the university. For
90 is just the fees for
yeah, and
2 years. Okay.
अगर आप 10 I would say 15-20 हज़ार और लगा लो, so came out to be 110 and फिर 2 साल का इंटरेस्ट जोड़ दो जो लोन लिया है उसका, so it comes out to be 120, 125 for like a good private school. There are cheaper schools, there are cheaper options that are good schools. जैसे UC Berkeley है, um,
Yeah.
University of Pennsylvania. I don't know if that is private or public, but there are lots of public schools that are great and not so expensive. Um, but um, yeah, I mean, I was able to pay it off because jobs भी उतने की लगती है ना आपकी. So if you're in tech
Mm,
and you
mm.
track like one of the good tech companies, you can expect to be paid around 120 to 250 per year. That's the range for an entry level engineer.
Hmm.
So that's you're still on the lower end despite uh, taking that much loan out.
Yeah. मतलब 1 सवा करोड़ का लोन उठाना पड़ेगा मतलब किसी को?
लगती तब है if you're not able to find a job, which is what is happening in current economy, right?
Uh,
There are a lot of students who reach out to me on LinkedIn or reach out to my friends on LinkedIn and they're asking for referrals, but uh, new grad ka job market is truly messed up right now. Like my org itself, we haven't hired like a fresher or a new grad in like past 1 year or so. Like
wow.
there's even an opening.
That's now I mean this is something to think about कि यार मैं इतना बड़ा लोन उठा रहा हूँ, मैं
Yeah.
एक दूसरे देश भी जा रहा हूँ
Yeah.
और वहाँ पे जाके भाई कुछ नहीं हुआ तो मतलब यू हैव टू मतलब वहाँ पे जाके अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो फिर वापस आना पड़ेगा एंड देन लोन का लोन तो है ही
Yeah,
ऊपर से।
true. True.
सो टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड, यू नो। एंड इसमें इसमें से जो लोन का परसेंटेज है वो बैंक कितना फ्रंट करता है and तुम्हें मतलब खुद को कितना फ्रंट करना पड़ता है?
तो इफ़ यू गेट अ लोन फ्रॉम एन इंडियन बैंक, तो इंडिया में सबसे प्रोमिनेंट तो आपके एक तो एसबीआई देता है और एक एचडीएफसी का क्रेडिला करके कुछ होता है, सबसे ज़्यादा लोन वही देते
हम्म।
हैं. दे विल चार्ज यू एन exorbitant rate. Last time when
वाह।
I was trying to get a loan from there, it was like 12-13%. Now it's probably more like 14-15%, which is crazy for a loan that doesn't build any assets. So
Yeah.
in a way, but I got from this company called Prodigy Finance, which is a UK based company, and they give you collateral free loans. Uh,
Right.
Only catch they have is they have a list of universities. If you get through any of those universities, only then they will give you a loan. So they have
Right.
done some data analysis behind the scenes where they have seen that if somebody goes to this school, they
Right.
graduate and the success rate of payoff is higher. कुछ उन्होंने किया होगा analysis. So based on that, they give out loans.
Right.
And at the time, they had given me a variable rate of 9.5%, which was better than what any bank in India was giving me. But
Hey.
9.5 was still high. And the catch was out of those 9.5%, 6% was fixed and 3.5% was variable, which can go up and down. Now,
Yeah.
uh, I went for my master's during COVID, because of
Oh.
which that 3.5% came to zero
Oh. Okay.
because the interest rates got slashed during COVID. So I
Hmm.
ended up paying the 6% on my education loan, which was a great rate. Honestly, मैंने
Yeah.
इतना interest pay off नहीं किया. Yeah, so I got a little bit lucky in that aspect.
Yeah. I mean, like, मुझे नहीं पता था, like, honestly, like, मैंने कभी explore नहीं किया ये. I didn't know that कि इंडिया में तो 12-13%. That's like crazy. It's
Yeah,
not
now it's more probably. It's closer to
great.
15 now, I think. Yeah.
15%. That's like equivalent to personal loan. मतलब कि I think, I don't know, education loan should be subsidized. Like,
You get tax rebate for it in India. Like you file income
hmm.
tax in India, you get certain tax rebate for an education loan. But yeah, if you go abroad, then you're not working in India, right? So how can you claim that rebate?
Oh, भाई.